Hello everyone, and thank you for checking out your Mr. Quik weather update. Tuesday, it looks to get started on a very nice note. We'll have plenty of sunshine, chilly with temperatures in the lower 40s. It will be warmer for our Tuesday. In fact, will be a good 10 degrees warmer for our high temperature, warming into the lower 70s. We'll have a nice sunny morning. Clouds will increase through the afternoon. We'll keep it dry at lunchtime, but we will have a chance for some scattered showers to start firing on the radar right around 5 p.m. The best chance of rain tomorrow will actually come in the evening. So there'll be a slight chance really anytime after 1 o'clock, but that would be very spotty. The main chance looks to be from about 6 to 9 p.m. for at least a few showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. But guys, this is not looking to be a big deal. We do not expect any strong storms. And again, it's not a guarantee that we will get rain, but I do think we'll have at least a couple brief showers come through in the evening hours here. And then we will have much cooler temperatures as we go into Wednesday. In fact, we will be almost 20 degrees cooler for the high temperature. We'll have a good amount of cloud cover too, a breezy day. Winds could gust as high as 30 miles per hour for Wednesday, so very chilly. We'll have these temperatures staying chilly into the late part of the week here, but we'll get back to a lot of sunshine Thursday and Friday, so at least it should make it feel a little better here. In fact, we will warm up eventually back to the 60s by Friday, and the weekend looks fairly warm. We have 68 degrees Saturday. Saturday looks like the drier of the two weekend days right now, with just a slim chance for rain, but those rain chances are looking to pick up as we go into Sunday. And right now it looks like on Monday could be fairly active with showers and storms, perhaps even some heavy rain. So we will keep you updated. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching this forecast update. Have a good day.